Hello, little learners! Today, we will learn A to Z vegetable names and their beginning sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. A says A, asparagus. B says B, broccoli. C says K, carrot. D says D, daikon. E says E, eggplant. F says F, fennel. G says G, garlic. H says H, horseradish. I says I, iceberg lettuce. J says J, jalapeno. K says K, kale. L says L, lettuce. M says mushroom. N says Napa cabbage. O says onion. P says potato. Q says qua, Queensland arrowroot. R says r, radish. S says s, spinach. T says t, tomato. U says oo, eBay. V says v, vegetable marrow. W says w, watercress. X says x, zokonostal. Y says ya, yam. Z says z, zucchini. Great job, little learners! Keep practicing your alphabet sounds every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye!